When I use this trick, my home instantly gains a fresh, pleasant atmosphere. Choose a small, transparent container. It can be plastic or glass. Pour in some coarse salt, which is great at absorbing moisture and slowly releasing fragrance. Add 1 scoop of green laundry detergent, then mix thoroughly. The green color adds a refreshing touch to the mixture. To make the scent last longer, add a tablespoon of alcohol and mix well. Finally, add a few cloves, which will give the mixture a warm, spicy note. You can place the container on the windowsill, and the scent will fill the room, blending beautifully with the greenery of your plants. If you want a version for the bathroom, simply repeat the same process, but use blue detergent. The blue color is perfect for the bathroom, and its fresh scent brings a light, airy feeling. Add cloves again, and you're done. 2 colors, 2 moods, green for nature and relaxation, blue for freshness and cleanliness, simple, effective, and beautiful. Use this trick to transform your space. Start with a bowl of ground coffee. Coffee not only smells amazing, but also neutralizes odors and absorbs moisture from the air. Take a small glass and fill it with coffee. Next, grab an orange and grate its peel using a fine grater. This is where its true power lies. The natural essential oils in the peel have relaxing and refreshing properties. Add the grated peel to the coffee in the glass, enhancing the depth of the aroma. Now, it's time for cinnamon. Sprinkle half a teaspoon on top. Cinnamon soothes, relaxes, and adds a touch of warmth to the room. Its sweet and spicy scent blends perfectly with the coffee and orange. Finally, light the contents of the glass. As the ingredients smolder, they release a natural incense that not only fills your home with an exceptional fragrance, but also purifies the air. It's the perfect way to unwind after a long day. Light cinnamon sticks like this. Everyone asks why. Cinnamon isn't just a spice for cooking, it has a surprising use. Take 2 cinnamon sticks and light them directly over a gas stove. Let them smolder slightly, then place them on a heat-resistant plate. Set the plate in a spot where you spend the most time. The warm, natural scent will spread throughout the room, creating a cozy atmosphere. It also works great in the bathroom, helping to eliminate unpleasant odors. A long-lasting, chemical-free fragrance. Try this trick and enjoy a beautifully scented home. Your home will smell for 3 days and the 3 nights. Even the neighbors will catch a whiff of it. To prepare these fragrant bowls, we need 3 lemons. Cut off the end of the citrus so it can stand. Then, cut it into quarters without slicing all the way through. Prepare each lemon differently, and each one will have a different purpose for a specific room in the house. Lay out the first fruit and place it in a bowl. Sprinkle it generously with salt. The next ingredient will be rubbing alcohol. Pour in 1 teaspoon. It acts as a carrier of the scent and is essential for preparing the first mixture. Let us know in the comments which city you're watching us from. Next, prepare the second lemon. Pour 1 tablespoon of salt into it. It has moisture-absorbing properties. Take your favorite laundry detergent. Pour 1/3 of the cap onto the salt and the lemon. Their scents will mix, creating a pleasant aroma of fresh laundry. Towards the end of the video, I'll show you which bowl to place in each room for the best effect. Sprinkle salt on the 3rd lemon as well. Then, take a few cloves. They have an intense scent with practical applications. Place the lemon with cloves near the entrance doors and on the terrace. It will repel insects, flies, and pests thanks to its strong scent. Additionally, it smells delightful. Put the bowl with laundry detergent in the bathroom. Thanks to it, a pleasant scent of fresh laundry will linger for 3 days. It can replace air freshener spray. Finale, place the last bowl next to the bed. Citrus aromatherapy aids in falling asleep. The scent of citrus positively affects the brain, potentially improving concentration. Moreover, lemon essential oil supports the treatment of anxiety and depressive symptoms. Preparing these bowls is easy, and they have a beautiful scent with practical applications in the home. My home smells wonderful, and everyone asks for my secret. This beautiful scent fills the entire house. Most people buy scented sachets from stores. but they only last a few days. It's much better to try this trick with a small box. First, find a small plastic container with a lid. Pour 4 tablespoons of rice into the container to enhance the scent. Then add 2½ caps of fabric softener. Mix everything thoroughly to create a uniform mixture. Next, take a heated fork or skewer and poke several holes in the lid. Try to make as many holes as possible. These holes will allow the beautiful scent to escape over a long period. You can place this box anywhere, in your coat or shoe closet to freshen the smell. You can easily make another box for a different room and place it wherever you want. This delightful fragrance will be noticeable throughout your home. Stop spending money on expensive home scents. Make them yourself, naturally, and for just a few cents. Get a large bowl and prepare a cup of baking soda. Baking soda has cleansing and odor-neutralizing properties, making it the perfect ingredient. The next ingredient is cornstarch, which helps maintain the right consistency. Mix everything thoroughly so the ingredients combine. Then take some food coloring, apply a small amount to the tip of a teaspoon, and add it to the mixture. The next step is to gradually add water until you get a firm consistency. Finally, add your favorite essential oil, such as lavender, which has relaxing properties. Mix everything well. Now, prepare a silicone mold and fill it with the prepared mixture. Let the tray sit for a while so the mixture can dry and harden. After that, remove the finished scent cubes. You can place them on a shelf in the room where they will gently fill the space with a pleasant scent, creating a nice atmosphere. In the bathroom, the scented cubes will effectively neutralize moisture and unpleasant odors, providing freshness for a long time. You can also place them in places where you store clothes to give them a subtle, pleasant scent that will last on the fabrics for longer. 1 cube, so many possibilities. This method will make your home smell like a luxury residence. You can make it with things you already have at home. First, get a clean decorative jar, the bigger the better. Measure out 3 cups of regular water and pour it into the jar. These proportions are important. Next, add 2 cups of alcohol. Alcohol has antibacterial properties and helps evaporate excess moisture. Now add a few drops of your favorite essential oil. This gives you a scent that fills the space like in a luxury interior. Choose any essential oil you like. Also add 1 tablespoon of dish soap you have at home. It's great for dissolving grease and dirt. Stir everything thoroughly so the ingredients blend well. Now the most important step. Take an old cotton t-shirt and cut it into smaller pieces. This is a great way to reuse old fabric. Place the ready pieces into the jar and soak them completely in the fragrant mixture. In just a few minutes, you'll have homemade reusable cleaning wipes. They not only disinfect and clean all surfaces, but also leave a scent that feels elegant and fresh. Your home will shine with cleanliness and smell like a luxury residence.